Cappello's is a gluten-free food brand. And I think to me, what makes it the most special is the people that work here and the community that we serve. We've been in Arvada 13 years and I've fallen in love with this town. I think the location and proximity to Denver gives us a great talent pool, but it's also made it really convenient for us to have some really dedicated and amazing people here at the factory. And I think for the community to take an interest in what we're doing and to not only give us an opportunity to kind of highlight our employees and highlight the products that we're making, it just feels, yeah, we're on the map, we're on the radar, you know, that the community knows we're here and we've been a part of it for a long time, so it feels really good. So my advice to other business owners would be that things always take longer than you think, and they always cost more than you anticipate. And so having patience and a game plan to kind of endure and persevere, I think is probably the most important recipe for any successful business. I think I'm more just like stunned and kind of inspired every day by the communications we get from folks all over the country about how much, you know, they love this brand and how finding, you know, a ravioli that they love after being celiac for, you know, 20 years has changed their lives. And that keeps us going for sure. Yeah.